Welcome to the best picks. The best leak detection kit is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any car owner's arsenal. Coolant leaks can be a nightmare, leading to overheating, engine damage, and a whole lot of stress. But with the right kit, you can pinpoint those pesky leaks quickly and easily, saving yourself time, money, and a potential breakdown on the side of the road. So, let's dive in and see what makes a great coolant leak detection kit. Number 5. REALHUNLEE AC UV Leak Detector Flashlight Kit. Introducing the REALHUNLEE AC Leak Detector Flashlight. This professional-grade tool uses high-intensity UV light to pinpoint leaks. It's 40% brighter than other lights, making it the best choice for automotive air conditioning leak detection. This flashlight works with all types of UV refrigerant leak detection dye. It helps you quickly identify the source of leaks, even in bright environments. You can inspect leak stains in seconds with this tool. This versatile tool is great for various applications, including automotive AC systems and HVAC repairs. It can also be used for currency authentication and identifying official documents. It's an essential tool for many needs. The flashlight is built with premium aluminum and features an anti-abrasive surface. It offers a non-slip grip and a long runtime of up to 20 hours. The design allows it to cover a larger area without weakening the light. The kit comes with the AC leak detection flashlight and protective glasses. We also offer great after-sales service. Contact us with any questions or concerns, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like. This kit boasts a high-intensity UV light, ensuring you spot those elusive leaks with ease. It helps you save money and time by pinpointing the source of the problem quickly. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic looking for a versatile and reliable solution for various leak detection needs, you should consider this one. What people say. Worked great. Leak was easy to find once dye was put in compressor. Works exactly as it should. Metal construction and better built than I expected. Works was able to find my AC leak. Head is a little big for some spots, but the brightness of the light made the leak easier to find. Number 4. Mastercool 53351 UV Leak Detection Kit. This all-in-one kit quickly identifies leaks in various systems. It is ready to use and helps you find refrigerant, coolant, oil, ATF, and fuel leaks. The kit includes a high-intensity 12V UV light. This 50-watt inspection light provides bright, focused UV illumination. It helps pinpoint leaks even in hard-to-see areas. It comes with universal dye coverage. The kit includes fluorescent dye for oil-based systems and engine coolant dye for cooling system diagnostics. This allows for comprehensive leak detection. The design is industry compatible. It includes an R134A hose and coupler, plus an R12 adapter. This ensures compatibility with most vehicles and service equipment. The kit also includes essential accessories. You'll find a dye remover, service labels, and UV-enhancing safety glasses. These accessories enhance the user experience. It comes with a rugged carry case for portability. The durable molded case keeps the tools organized. It is ideal for mobile technicians or shop use. This product is built for professional-grade performance. It offers US-based customer service. You can rely on its quality and support. What we like. This all-in-one kit is designed for professional use, offering a high-intensity 12V UV light and universal dye coverage. It comes with a rugged carry case for easy portability. If you are a mobile technician or work in a shop environment and need a comprehensive and organized solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The kit works and you will be able to service cars a few times. The best part of this kit is the UV light that connects right onto the battery. The kit I used was universal, so I made the lines and I was able to find a very small leak in one of the lines. After doing some research, I went with this kit because the light is powered directly by the car battery. I read numerous reports of cordless battery-operated lights not being bright enough or killing their own batteries quickly. Not a problem here, the light works great. Number 3. Lichamp LA01 AC Leak Detector Kit. This kit helps you quickly identify freon leaks in your car's air conditioning system. It's a simple and effective way to pinpoint the source of the problem. Not only does it find AC leaks, but it can also detect hidden stains. It's great for finding pet urine or food stains that are hard to see. The included UV flashlight is professional grade with high-intensity LEDs. This helps you find leaks even in a garage or outdoors. The flashlight is built with premium aluminum and has a non-slip grip. It's also waterproof and dustproof, and comes with a lanyard for convenience. The flashlight can run for up to 20 hours on 6 AA batteries, not included. This allows you to cover a larger area without the light fading. The kit includes UV protective glasses to shield your eyes. These glasses make it easier and more efficient to spot the leaks. What we like. This kit features a 2-in-1 design, allowing you to check for AC freon leaks and detect other stains. The professional-grade UV light ensures effective leak detection. If you like a versatile tool that can handle multiple tasks, from automotive AC leaks to household stain detection, it's a great choice. What people say. The light is very bright and worked well. I also used this to track an AC freon leak to find the seal in the compressor was bad, which saved me the hassle of replacing all my O-rings. It's a very handy and useful tool. This light is more than bright enough to find leaks even without the glasses. Number 2. LEAKFINDER LF3001CS Automotive Coolant Leak Detection Die. Are you tired of chasing down those pesky coolant leaks? LEAKFINDER offers the brightest and most cost-effective solution for finding AC and fluid-based vehicle leaks. This product makes leak detection easy and efficient. This die finds leaks in radiators, hoses, heater cores, water pumps, and fittings. It fluoresces green, making it easy to spot leaks with any leak detection flashlight. Each bottle is designed to service one vehicle. Simply let the UV fluorescent dye circulate throughout the vehicle system. The dye escapes with the host fluid and collects at all leak sites. Then, use a LEAKFINDER leak detection lamp to scan and see all leaks glow brightly. This product finds the smallest and most problematic leaks that would otherwise be impossible to detect. It quickly pinpoints hard-to-find leaks, including intermittent and multiple leaks, saving you time and money. Proudly manufactured in the USA, LEAKFINDER comes from Tracer Products, a company with over 65 years of experience. They deliver award-winning professional service and the industry's most powerful leak detection dyes and diagnostic tools. What we like. This product excels at finding even the smallest leaks, ensuring no issue goes unnoticed. It is designed to work with all leak detection flashlights. If you are looking for a reliable solution to pinpoint those hard-to-find leaks, especially the intermittent ones, you should consider this one. What people say. This coolant dye worked great and I received it fast. It was easy to see with the yellow glasses and black light I purchased separately. Unfortunately, I had to put it in the shop as the repair was bigger than I wanted to deal with, but it helped me diagnose the issue. Allowed me to pinpoint a coolant leak that had plagued me for months. A hot EGR valve had burned through a firewall heater hose. The hot valve vaporized the coolant. That's why there was never any obvious coolant on the engine or on the driveway. The dye showed me exactly where that elusive leak was. I replaced the heater hose and problem solved. I would have never found that darn leak without this product. Used a UV light to light up the dye. The leak stood out like a beacon. A plus rating on this product. Worked well to help me find the coolant leak on my boat. Lit up strongly under the UV light. Number 1. ACDelco 114-9328 Leak Detection Tracer Dye, 1 ounce. Are you tired of guessing where your coolant is leaking? This product is designed to quickly pinpoint leaks in cooling systems. It helps you find the problem fast. This special formula is made for systems using DXCool, the orange coolant. It won't change the color of your coolant. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing system. The fluorescent dye makes leak detection easy. It eliminates guesswork, allowing you to quickly identify the source of the leak. This feature saves you time and effort. The dye provides visual leak detection. You can easily see where the problem is. This makes repairs much easier and more efficient. For best results, use it with the ACDelco Ultraviolet, UV, Leak Detection Lamp Kit. This combination ensures accurate and reliable leak detection. It's a powerful tool for any mechanic. What we like. This product is specifically designed for cooling systems using DXCool coolants. Its special formula won't alter the coolant's color. If you have a vehicle with DXCool coolant and need a straightforward way to identify leaks, it's the perfect choice. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to perform the test. The dye solution is easy to use and effective in pinpointing leaks. The UV light is bright and clearly illuminates the dye. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.